Stains from oil, dirt, and leaves do not look good on concrete. Today I'm going to show you how to remove them and clean your driveway using a pressure washer. So the first thing to do is determine what kind of stain you have so you get the right solution to tackle it. For oil and grease, you're going to use a degreaser, spray it on the stain, and you're going to let it set for a couple minutes and then scrub it with the brush. Paint can be removed with a paint stripper or solvent. Rust and other light stains can be taken care of with a concrete cleaner and a pressure washer. Now when using a pressure washer, it's safety first. Wear a pair of goggles, pants, not shorts, a long sleeve shirt, and closed-toed shoes. And of course, the most important thing is never aim the sprayer at yourself or someone else. Next, we're gonna prep our driveway by spraying it down with the hose. Next, we're ready to start using our pressure washer. Now, pressure washers come with a number of different tips. The narrower tips are for tough stains and etching, but you want to be careful with these because you can damage your concrete. The wider tips are for more general cleaning, and our pressure washer came with a special tip for applying the soap, and that's the one we're going to start with. To install the tip, pull back on the collar and install it in the spray gun. Next, we're going to hook our water hose up to our pressure washer. Then we're going to stick our siphon hose directly into our soap. Then we'll start the engine by pulling the starter cord. Now if it doesn't start, you're going to want to take and release the pressure from the wand by pulling the trigger. And then try it again. Work the spray wand back and forth, overlapping each section. Keep the tip about 8 to 24 inches from the surface and allow the cleaner to soak in for a few minutes, but don't let it dry completely. That could lead to streaking, so you might have to work in small sections. Now before we rinse down our driveway, we're gonna wanna clear out our siphon hose. To do this, we're gonna take it out of the detergent, put it in a bucket of clean water, then run our pressure washer till the water comes out clear. Next, we're gonna rinse our driveway with a low to medium pressure tip. First, I'm gonna test it out in a small area back here. It works, so now I'm gonna rinse the rest. So using a pressure washer is gonna take some practice, but you'll get used to it. You might have to go over some areas twice, and if you get too close, you'll leave lines, but you can just blend those in. Continue cleaning the driveway and sidewalks in small sections. You're gonna wanna be careful around plants, and you might have to scrub along mulch beds. Now for more stubborn stains, you can go over it again with the power washer, or you might have to add a detergent directly to the stain and then scrub it with the brush before rinsing it again. Now once you've cleaned your entire concrete surface and let it dry for at least 24 hours, you might want to consider adding a sealer. A sealer is going to help prevent any future stains or damage from de-icing salt. And the best part is, it's really easy to do. For a large project like this, we're simply using a garden sprayer to coat the surface. Just overlap each section and thoroughly cover the surface. You can also use a paint roller and brush along the edges. If there's any excess, just roll over it again. Apply 2 coats and let it cure following the manufacturer's directions. Cleaning and sealing your driveway is going to take a couple of days. Now you definitely don't want to rush the sealing process or it won't stick. But once it's fully cured, your driveway is ready for the elements. Want more great ideas and how-tos? Go to Lowes.com/how-to.